We'll guide you through how to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve, a powerful tool for video editing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once it's open, start a new project by clicking New Project and give it a name. Next, import your video files by clicking on the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. Then use the Import Media button to navigate to your files and select them. Now, switch over to the Edit tab. Here, you'll see the timeline where you can drag and drop your video clips to start editing. To cut a clip, position the playhead where you want to make the cut, and press Command-B on Mac or Control-B on Windows to split the clip. You can move clips around to rearrange them, and trim the edges by dragging them in or out. If you need to add transitions, go to the Effects library on the top left, click on Video Transitions, and drag your chosen transition between clips on the timeline. To add text, select Titles from the Effects library. Drag your chosen title style onto the timeline above your video, and customize the text in the Inspector panel on the right. After editing, go to the Color tab if you want to adjust color grading for your clips. You can use the color wheels or curves to adjust the look of your video. Finally, when you're happy with the edit, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Choose your preferred format, set the destination, and click Add to Render Queue. Then hit Start Render to finalize your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.